Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Learning Forex. So today we are going to be talking about a reversal pattern or the reversal chart patterns. Just like we must have heard, reversal chart patterns, these are patterns which we see on the chart that give us signals of reversal. Just like how it sounds, just like the words reversal patterns. Charts. Now, when we're talking about patterns, we're talking about formations, right? Candlesticks formations. Now, when we're talking about reversal, we're talking about something turning. So it's just like saying, if I'm to run from a specific distance to another distance, well, how do I know, or how does another person know I'm going to turn at some specific points? How does it know? When he sees me, let's say I'm beginning to slow down in my running, I'm beginning to slow down in the way I'm accelerating, he understands that, okay, this person is actually trying to stop or reverse. So that is what we're talking about in the technical analysis, in the technical chart. Whenever we see such candlestick patterns that is telling us that a reversal is trying to happen, we leverage on this to take our positions. So note, reversal patterns are most valid at strong areas of price reaction, such as support, resistance, demand, supply, and alpha zones as well. You understand? We tend to see these formations at every area of the chart. That's the mistake a lot of people do. They see this pattern everywhere and they just think, okay, since this is a reversal pattern, I might just go into it like that. But no, it's wrong. You only leverage on these patterns when they are at any strong resistance or support or demand or supply zones. When they are around these zones, that is areas of price impact or areas of price reaction, once they are around these zones, we know that there are either two things that can happen. Either there's a breakout or reversal. So when we're looking at this reversal, that's when we wait to see reversal chart patterns before taking our entries. So examples of these reversal patterns that we've been talking about, we have the double top, and we have the double bottom, we have the equal top and equal bottom. I'll explain the difference between the double top, double bottom, and equal top and equal bottom, because they are so similar, but there's still difference between them. We also have the head and shoulders pattern, and we have the inverted head and shoulders pattern. Trust me, there are other patterns. There might be numerous patterns outside, but you only need this few. You can leverage on this few at any point, and at any point of the chart, at any point of reversal, you are definitely going to see one of them. You will not see anything else, except in very little situations. That's when you could see something else. But these are the main patterns. So taking a look at this, we have the okay, I'm going to be showing some examples now, starting with the double top. Now this is an example of double top. Why? Double top is a reversal pattern found at the extreme high of the price level or price formation. It's found at the extreme high, signifying a reversal in price to the downside. So something important about those double top and bottom is that it doesn't signify if it's either equal highs or lows. A level can be higher than the other, and so forth. That's the key difference between this and equal top and equal bottom, because equal top and equal bottom, it has to be equal. You understand? There are situations that you definitely see equal levels. Yes, I've seen it numerous times, but trust me, you can easily see double top and double bottom. Yeah, because you not just see most of them at the same level. You can see this. Okay, I'm looking for an arrow. So I hope we are all paying attention to all I'm talking about here, because you definitely see this on the chart every single day. We have one point here. Oh yeah, and we have another point here. This is a typical example of double top. Yeah, it's a typical example of double top. So I don't know if you understand line charts, but I can easily give examples of different types of double tops. We have that which is equal. We also have this that is not equal. Yeah. And we also have this, which in some cases you may call that liquidity clear, liquidity draw, something like this. So these are several kinds of double tops that we have. So having this as a double top, we obviously know that double bottom is a point of reversal at the extreme bottom on price action. So in that case, I'm going to show you an example of double bottom, which is what we have here. We can see several points here. This is an example of double bottom, and it's located at a strong zone. This is a strong resistance, a strong support zone here. Strong support zone. You can see the support zone here. This is a full support. I know a lot of people don't understand why I call this support, but yeah, you can see this is a touch to this point, several touches around here. That's how we actually sort out support or resistance in an advanced method. We are talking about advancement, not just looking at the highs and lows, and then you can spot out support and resistance at any point. So this is double bottom. That's an example of double bottom. So trust me, we're going to be having a lot of videos showing the practical section of the chart, and if you are able to follow this, you should see positive results in profitability. This is an example of double bottom, and this is another example of double bottom here. It looks more like equal bottom here. So in a line chart, you can see double bottom in this case, where the both levels are equal. The level is longer than the other, and then we have this pattern also. These are examples of double bottom. Get. So in subsequent classes, I'm going to talk about equal top, equal bottom, head and shoulders, and inverted head and shoulders. All these are patterns, and all these are reversal patterns that you see everywhere on the chart. Just looking at the current price action, I can pinpoint so many double bottoms and double top around here.